We got big changes in our weather. First and foremost, it is going to be downright cold Saturday and Sunday, especially into our morning hours. But hey, it's pretty chilly out there this morning. The good news is with this big change, we're not going to be seeing a lot of inclement weather that's going to be associated with the temperature change for us. But we got a lot of changes in our temperatures for us just even today. Crisp start. Temperatures are hanging out in the 30s and 40s again for us, but we got a lot of sunshine in store for the afternoon, and it's going to be warmer out there. Honestly, I just put out a post with just today's high, and it's going to be 74 degrees, and I said, honestly, this is looking like a perfect fall day. You could be the judge of that. It's nice, though, that at least things are clear to start this morning. I know it's chilly out there, but we're going to make up for it, especially in the afternoon. Weak system still out to the east that's just been pestering the East Coast. That's going to gradually move out, and with this system off to the west, that'll be moving in, replacing it, where we will see the small chance for some rain going into the day on Friday, but honestly, it's trending a bit drier for us, and to no surprise, it's extremely dry outside right now. It's not looking like it's going to be working with much moisture, and not even that impressive right now off to the west. So we'll continue to keep a close eye on that, but those temperatures right now into the 30s up in Delaware, 36 degrees. It's 43 in Caldwell and 46 in McConnellsville. We'll just take a quick trip down to Athens. You're sitting at 39 degrees, so a lot of those low-lying areas, that's where we're maybe seeing temperatures a little bit colder out there. It's 36 in Lancaster, 38 in Circleville, 36 in Chillicothe, and 37 over in London and Madison County. For the most part, everyone's right around where we're at yesterday. You can see a few spots even, more than 5 to 10 degrees warmer off into northwestern Ohio. But in southeastern Ohio, parts of central Ohio, we're close to where we're at yesterday, if not maybe a couple degrees colder. So over the next several hours, things are going to be more than just a couple degrees warmer. We're going to go from the mid-50s by around 10 o'clock to perhaps the low 70s by maybe even close shortly after lunchtime. So things are going to be warming up drastically for us today compared to yesterday, where highs were only in the mid to upper 60s. And it's going to hang out in the 70s through a good chunk of the afternoon, even into the early evening. 6 o'clock, still into the low 70s out there, looking at highs across the rest of central Ohio. For the most part, everyone's at least going to crack 70 degrees. Caldwell, you might be missing out on the fun, but still a little bit warmer than what it was yesterday. Highs near 70 degrees. So we'll continue to stay on the mild side as we head into the day today, and that's also going to carry through into tonight. Thanks to some clouds that'll be moving in. Temperatures will fall into the upper 40s. Not as chilly to start tomorrow. More clouds, but still on the warm side, those highs back into the 70s for us. So with that system out to the west, as I mentioned, really not looking like it's going to be working with much moisture. Still a strong front, but sometimes a lot of these systems, being cut off from, some of that southerly moist winds and precipitation that sometimes gets tapped into some of these systems as they move into the west. Doesn't look like that's going to be the case, so things are going to be looking much drier, of course, bringing in maybe just a small chance of rain overnight Thursday into the day on Friday, but for the most part, it's looking like we'll just see some added cloud coverage into the start of the morning on Friday, but then clearing out as we head into the afternoon, but we are not going to be warming up. Things are going to be staying cool, high of 58 degrees for your Friday, 57 Saturday, 62 Sunday. It'll be mostly clear, but take a look at those morning temperatures Saturday and Sunday. 30s. It is going to be downright chilly for us as we head into those morning hours on the weekend, but at least it'll be the weekend. It'll be dry and sunny, but definitely bundle up and then get ready for a little bit of a warm-up with temperatures back in the low 70s as we head into next week.